thing looking mean now. Our boy Cat going back on a dyno. Ain't ready. Bust that ass, baby. I'll be the translator. It means you food.
Now, translate this.
I don't know what he got in that tank. Yo, we sticking, bro. We sticking on pump.
Yo, bro, you okay?
Nah, I'm not okay. Why you crying, bro?
I'm crying with joy.
Why you crying?
You miss my eggs?
Why you crying, Webb?
Just happy for Cat.
If you're watching this video right now, head over to eastcoastimport.com right now to get yourself entered for our OEM Plus build Civic SI hatch. Only a few more days left to get entered for our K28 Civic SI hatch. It ends this Saturday coming up. Make sure to get entered at eastcoastimport.com right now. Can't wait to see who's gonna win it. What up, baby? Yo, YouTube ain't see you in a little bit.
Kicked me out of here when I ain't buy you no food.
What's going on?
I upgraded a little bit here and there. I decided to do lean.
Okay.
Out of all the stuff I upgraded, the header, I changed. I want to make sure my air fuel is still sitting right, so I just bring it to Jamie while I got a chance,
How fast did you go with the previous setup?
It was a 10.2.
10.2, and what's the goal now?
I just want anything better than last year.
I want to see a 9-second pass. 9.9.
If you give me the right stuff, I'll do a
9.9.
9.9.
I want to see a 9.9. Drop in the comments. You guys want him to see a 9.9? I want to see a 9. I think he got this. So all you changed was a lean. So whenever you guys go lean, header, motor mounts, and airbox, this thing looking mean now. Shit's looking like a outlaw like M1. Oh,
J-Rock coming, yo. You know he hates. He hates me. Word? I'm hungry too. Order us something to eat.
Oh,
what that mean?
It means you food. That's what that means. I'll be the translator. It means you food.
Now, translate this.
Yo, hold this.
You're a Chinese crip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got my money on J-Rock.
You know
me too.
You know
I got my money on him too.
I got my money on J-Rock.
How much you said? I might win.
Yo, you bought lunch today?
Bought it yesterday.
My boy Cat going back on a dyno. Yo, do a cartwheel for my boy.
It's just too flashy, bro. I don't even know who you are.
That's what I'm saying, my boy.
New Speed Factory radiator, turn sideways, J-Rock style, fucking.
I like
carbon
it.
Fucking airbox.
Yo,
you
fancy.
No, this what happens when you come to this damn shop.
Yo, he need you to drive this motherfucker?
Yeah.
I do. A skinny horse. Because you see this. This what happens when you hang with you. You know what I mean?
Yo, what do you think your best time could be in here?
I'd be like a 13.5.
Damn.
Too slow, baby. You see?
I like that smell. Thanks to the dinner. I like it. Yo, Cat, how much you made for power last time?
Huh?
How much you made for power last time?
355 without no alignment.
They made 355?
Yeah.
Alright.
The horsepower gods is good.
you looking at? What you looking at? Oh, what you looking at, amigos? What you looking at? Oh, I
Look at that license plate.
I see. I apologize if the sound quality isn't that good because I don't know how it's gonna sound. Cat's car is so loud, crazy loud. So hopefully the sound quality is good. If not, I do apologize. Get excited, Cat's dyno video is coming right up. All Cat changed from his last setup to this setup from the last dyno session was he went lean. So what that means is the motor is lean. For those of you guys that don't know, he changed his header. That's the only reason why he's coming back, because the ITB size is the same. So basically the motor is lean forward. You can run an air box instead of having the ITBs out of the hood. The header is a little bit bigger, I want to say. I don't think it'll change too much horsepower wise. I think maybe to pick up a few. He's just here for like a yearly checkup, if that makes sense. So not too much has changed from his last dyno session. Let's see what it does. I think my mic might be broke after that. I ain't gonna lie. 345 first hit. That M1 is, man, that M1 is strong. I ain't gonna lie to you. But 345 first pull, kind of same where he left off. He made 350 last time. So first pull, 345.
Yo, bro, you okay?
Nah, I'm not okay. Not okay. That's why I stopped racing nitro. This is not even that bad. Bro, it's bad out here. I ain't gonna lie to you. We got the fan turned around. It's rough. What you laughing at, bitch? You crying too?
It's crying with joy.
My boy a pro, huh?
His ass stayed 10 feet back. He's talking about his ears hurt and he can't even, like, you can't even smell it. The fumes hurt your lungs.
Y'all man, can you teach me the shift game?
Why you sad, bro?
It's rough in there.
He hasn't been racing in a long time that his fucking trailer's going grass out of it.
I'm surprised his trailer don't look like that.
There's like a, you talking that shit, huh? M1, like, M1 group right here. M1.
So you gotta
Jamie's racing M1. I might switch my fucking car back to M1.
Don't say that.
I swear I might. I swear. It might be.
You know what it
What?
is?
What'd you just say to me, Jamie? I'm scared? I might switch my car back to M1.
You know what it is? Jamie starts the trend, right? First, Jamie was nitro. Then we all had nitro cars, and he was even nitro in his gray car.
He's even nitro with his stock block. He made 400 horsepower on his stock K24.
And then Jamie goes back to M1. Next thing you know, we all got fucking M1 cars now.
Everybody's racing M1. I feel left out. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm only doing it because Jamie's doing it.
You said you do set a trend.
Next week.
Yeah. What's next year?
Next week.
Nitro?
Alright.
Yo, we staying on fucking pump gas,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
fucking faded,
You
bro.
look like you faded,
God
bro.
damn, that shit's strong as
That
fuck.
I don't know what he got in that tank. Yo, we
mixing, bro.
We sticking on pump. That ain't it. I don't know if I'm getting old or what, but that ain't it. That was great. 348. Okay, right where you left off.
Yeah, right where we left off. We don't need no more.
Why you crying, Webb?
Just happy for Cat. Give me a hug.
Man, that thing is just too loud. Way too loud. Hopefully it picked up all the quality, but I doubt it. That shit got you shaking, Webb?
Soul.
Yo, Cat, shit might be too loud for you to drive. You might not be able to think. 347? Why you crying, bro? Why you crying?
Miss my eggs.
Cat shit might be tapped out right there. I think it might be it. I think it might be it for you. 348. You left the same horsepower last time.
Yeah. You know, we could do a little bit more at the track, you know, turn it up.
Turn it
top
up?
Boost.
Turn it up, turn the boost up.
Turn the boost up.
Basically 350, right where you left off, Jamie? Honestly, not bad. 349, basically 350 wheel, right exactly where he left off. All this was a, sorry, eyes are messed up, but all this was a checkup for him to get ready for the season with a different header. Made 350.
Yeah, man, I'm happy where I'm at.
When's the next outing?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I'll go somewhere this weekend, but it's supposed to rain.
Moving forward, maybe next year, what's the next upgrades for the car?
I want to do an aluminum rod motor because it's just still.
Steel rod motor?
Yeah.
So you want to make more horsepower down the line?
Yeah, I
like
want to be
400-ish?
I'm gonna stay a little bit below I sort of the little ones. When the little guys come to you, I could take care of them. You know what I'm saying?
Like 380, 400?
Yeah, I'll stick around there.
We could do that today with some nitro.
Where's that? Where's that? Give me some of that.
Shit, all right, we'll catch you at the track, baby.
Thank you, brothers. Always a good hospitality.
Love you.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a wrap, boys, for Cat's Dyno session. I'll try to catch him on the next outing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you guys.